Dropping in. Hang on.
That's a good idea, Farid. Let's go this way.
No.
Hostile spotted.
Target over there. First blood.
Round 1. Beginning ring countdown.
Next ring's far.
Hostile spotted. I need a body shield. Listen up, people have been through here. Enemy over there.
Helmet here.
I need a body
Level 2.
shield. Dibs.
Grenade.
Listen up, I'm getting shot at.
Reloaded. Subject down.
Reload. Look out, grenade. There's some damage over here. Gamma grenade out. Asta out.
Getting
Finish off the roof.
Reloading. Smart moves. Champions out.
Listen up, the ring is closing in 1 minute.
Far ring, 45 left.
Healing my wounds.
Deploy and help drone. Heavy ammo here. Just a scrape. 1 second.
Need to recharge my shield. Thank you.
I got you. Now keep moving.
We're close to the ring. 10 seconds.
Let's explore this way.
Dying outside the ring would be pointless.
Looking for Evo shield here. Level 1.
New kill leader. I must confess, that's what I long for.
I'm going over there.
Not leaving you alone.
Care package being delivered.
Looks like a care package is coming in. Big things in that.
Enemy spotted. Far. Firing on subjects.
Contact with hostile.
Level 2.
Reloading. Spotted a subject.
Opening fire. Reloading.
Spotted a subject.
Watch for them.
Enemy spotted.
I downed an enemy. Downed another. Reloading. They spotted me. I'm taking shots. I've been downed. Making
For someone who loves and Jules.
Round 2. Beginning ring countdown.
One ammo here.
I could use that.
now for the right choice.
Light ammo here. Heavy ammo
We're
here.
linemen.